Going gray doesn't mean giving up style, it means finding a cut that works with your texture, not against it. Most women searching for short gray hairstyles after 50 are looking for something low maintenance but still flattering as hair starts thinning or changing pattern. The trick is knowing which cuts actually create volume where you need it and don't require a full round brush blowout every other day. Ready to see which cuts actually hold their shape and give your gray the spotlight it deserves? Let's go through the styles that truly work. 1. Funky pixie cut with spiky texture. Bold and spunky, this ultra-short pixie is all about texture. The spiky choppy layers give it serious lift, great for finer hair that needs body. Ideal for oval or heart-shaped faces. The tapered sides cleanly frame the cheekbones. Gray-white color adds dimension, especially with natural salt and pepper blends. Downside, you'll need a strong product to hold that shape, and frequent trims to keep the edges crisp. 2. Natural gray short hair with airy texture, lightweight and lifted. This style celebrates natural gray with an airy structure that moves with ease. The top is slightly longer, styled away from the face, adding flattering height. Perfect for fine to medium textures and elongated face shapes. Very low maintenance, but benefits from root lift spray or light mousse for shape. Best when trimmed every 68 weeks to keep definition. 3. Short thick gray hairstyles with soft volume. Built for thicker hair. This rounded short cut has strategic layering to reduce bulk while keeping a full shape. The side-swept fringe softens the forehead and cheekbones, great for wider or angular faces. Gray color enhances the airy texture. Styling can be quick with a blow dryer and vent brush, but heavier hair types may need texturizing to avoid a helmet-like silhouette. 4. Gray blending highlights brunette short hair idea. A beautiful blend of brunette and silver gray tones gives this tousled crop depth without harsh contrast. It's perfect for transitioning grays or softening the grow-out phase. The layers are choppy and side-swept, flattering for soft round and oval face shapes. Ideal on medium-thick textures. Balancing warm and cool tones can be tricky, so tonal glosses may be needed between salon visits. 5. Short gray blonde hair with stacked back. A classic stacked bob with a modern gray blonde twist. This look gives volume at the crown and smooth tapering at the nape. The shape elongates the neck and works beautifully on round or short faces. It's best for straight to slightly wavy hair and medium density. Blow drying under helps hold the shape, but upkeep is key. Stacked backs grow out fast and need trims every 68 weeks. 6. Short gray hair with purple highlights and fringe. Playful yet edgy, this pixie mixes lavender purple tones with a soft gray base and shaggy fringe. Great for fine to medium textures, it adds visual volume and color contrast that's fun but still wearable. Best on oval or long faces. While it offers a lot of movement, pastel tones do fade fast, so plan for toning every 46 weeks if you want to keep that lilac hue vibrant. 7. Very short gray hair with fade-in sides. Minimal yet edgy, this crop style features a close fade along the sides and nape, with a textured crown that adds sharpness and height. Ideal for thick hair and oval or longer face shapes. The light silver tone enhances the short structure, but the tight fade demands maintenance every 34 weeks. Great for active lifestyles or those seeking a no-fuss, high-impact cut. 8. Dark gray short hair with piecey layers. Modern and dimensional. This layered bob combines dark silver tones with chunky, piecey layers. It's a fantastic choice for medium to thick hair textures, creating natural fullness and lift. The side part and cheek-raising layers frame the face beautifully, especially flattering for square or round shapes. Styling cream helps to find the texture, but it may get bulky if not shaped regularly. 9. Short gray haircuts over 50 with silver shine. Elegant and neat. This close-cropped silver style offers a polished silhouette with a sleek side-swept top. It's great for straight, medium-density hair and works well on narrow or angular face shapes. The subtle gradient taper at the sides adds shape without harsh edges. Maintenance is low, though shine-enhancing products help keep silver tones vibrant and smooth. 10. Short gray hair with bangs and feathered texture. This short, feathered pixie cut features soft, wispy bangs that gently graze the forehead, ideal for women with fine or thinning hair. The airy layering boosts movement and fullness while keeping the style light. It flatters oval and heart-shaped faces and blends well with natural grays. Easy to style with a round brush or hands, but avoid over-texturizing to prevent flyaways. 11. Short gray pixie haircut with textured finish. Textured and effortless, this pixie brings a bit of sass with its choppy layers and wispy fringe. Great for fine to medium hair that needs movement without volume overload. The Piecey finish gives softness around the temples and jawline, especially flattering for narrow or angular faces. Gray tones blend naturally for low maintenance, but the fringe may need frequent shaping to avoid awkward grow out. 12. Short gray hair over 50 with glasses and layers. This soft layered bob pairs beautifully with glasses, offering gentle framing and a practical length. Its feathered ends reduce weight, especially helpful for thick or coarse hair. The silver tones are blended for a natural shimmer, and the side part opens up the face. Great on oval and heart-shaped faces. The only caution is managing bulk at the crown if you've got extra dense strands. 13. Short gray bob with soft layers. Soft and timeless, this gray bob features delicate layering and a barely there bevel at the ends. A perfect match for straight or fine hair that lacks body. The layers add subtle shape without bulk. Its length falls slightly below the jawline, flattering nearly every face shape. The natural gray hue is blended evenly, so it's easy to maintain and ideal for embracing your silver with grace. 14. Black and gray hair short with side part. The dramatic contrast between deep charcoal and silvery gray gives this side-parted short cut a refined finish. It's softly layered and side-swept for movement and lift without going too short. Great for medium to thick hair with a natural wave. Adds softness around angular features. They'll want smoothing cream for that polished look, and blended color like this benefits from occasional touch-ups. 15. Ash gray balayage short hair with blunt ends. Hash 15 ash gray balayage short hair with blunt ends. 16. Gray ombre hair short with tousled finish. This playful ombre bob features silvery roots fading into deeper ash tips, giving it depth and modern flair. The tousled finish, with flipped out ends and face framing layers, adds a casual, youthful energy. Perfect for medium to fine textures and oval or oblong faces. Requires a bit of wave-enhancing product to keep the texture without frizz. Can lose its shape without regular retexturizing. 17. Short curly gray hair with volume boost. If you've got naturally curly or coiled hair, this full-bodied look is both flattering and lively. Chin length with subtle layering, it enhances volume without looking overly round. This short curly gray hairstyle is great for square or long face shapes and thick density. Gray tones bring out curl definition beautifully, though it requires moisture-rich products and a diffuser for best shape retention. Not ideal for humid climates without anti-frizz support. 18. Edgy short gray hair with undercut layers. This cut means business undercut sides keep it edgy while the voluminous crown adds dramatic height. Perfect for thick, coarse, or dense hair that needs debulking. The gray tone with darker lowlights underneath enhances the lift and movement. Not for the faint of heart. It takes bold styling, root volume spray, and regular shaping to maintain that statement silhouette. 19. Short silver hair with tapered sides. Sleek and polished, this short silver pixie has ultra-tapered sides and subtle layering up top. It's a breeze to style and perfect for women over 50 who want a clean, low-maintenance look that still feels modern. Best on straight, fine to medium density hair and round or angular faces. The hint of lavender at the crown adds a fresh twist but may fade quickly, so toning upkeep could be a downside. 20. Glimmara hair color. Sleek and luminous. This chin-length bob showcases the Glimmara hair color, a refined icy silver that reflects light beautifully. The smooth blunt shape with light underlayer beveling creates structure while softening the jawline. Best suited for straight, fine to medium hair and works wonderfully on oval or angular faces. The cool tone gives a crisp, modern edge, though it can require purple shampoo and occasional glosses to maintain brightness. It's a polished, striking option for women over 50 ready to embrace bold silver with elegance. 21. Silversnap Haircut. The Silversnap cut is a sharp, choppy pixie with fine, point-cut layers throughout for added texture. It hugs the head, but maintains movement at the crown and sides. Best on fine to medium hair and especially flattering on petite or oval face shapes. The silver tone makes the texture pop, but daily styling wax or texture spray is a must. Not ideal if you prefer no styling days.